So, I have added some features to the electronics. You can individually disable the main power, sound, and drive. So there's the drive on, sound on. I can flip main power, they both go off. Main power, both back on. So with just the sound on, here's the sound system. I have just a little old, really ancient iPod shuffle here. I just loaded it up with random R2 sounds. I've slowed them down a bit. I've also added the R5 sounds that somebody posted. I think it might have been Rob Meyer. Yeah, there's one. So, just thought I'd show that off. Anyway, bye.